Quarantine day 8. Yes, guys, I'm at home. I'm safe. I'm not traveling around the world because anybody can do that. Actually, in this moment, anybody can travel. Anybody can move from the house. So, don't say to me, where are you? Are you in California? Are you in Venice Beach, Santa Monica? Stay safe, don't go around. The virus is coming there too. I'm at home. I'm in Tenerife in my small house since 10 days. And I'm editing my vlog because I want to travel and I want to go out and I want to go back to my normal life as every one of you. And I'm doing that just to make you company, to share with you my feelings from the last year and the beautiful places I visited the last year. So I just hope you enjoy that as me. For me, it's like when I edit these videos, I forget all the situation where we are in this moment, and well, that's another way to travel. Good morning, guys. Today on our way for Las Vegas. Woo, so glad that we passed by the street because we had the opportunity to see that artwork that I wanted to see. 7 Magic Mountains by Ugo Rondinone. That's great. And yes, it's not the case, I have a colorful t-shirt. great spot for your Instagram pictures, actually. And we made a full album. Bye bye, 7 magic mountains. It was nice. Now directly in our house in Las Vegas, a pool is waiting us, so I can't wait. Yes, so we rent this big house. Ah yes, I love those lights. Ooh. We have a big TV that we will never use. A big sofa that we already used. Ah, j'adore. Oof. That's amazing to have a billiard here, because we just arrived yesterday and we entertained us a little bit. And voila! Oh, oh my god, I'm sorry. Mori, tomorrow we are going to barbecue. Let's play. We have a living room, 4 bedrooms, a great bathroom. Yes, look, this bedroom is directly going on pool view. That's great, great light. I also like the art around. It's very nice. And the bathroom, look, I love that, the blue wall. But it's not finished. We go washing machine and drying machine. There we have our garage, typical American garage. Second bedroom, ta-da! Very nice, with wardrobe. And a private bathroom. Oh, voila! I love this kind. Oh fuck! Yes, because the door is not fixed down, so you risk to. Well, whatever. A second bath, occupied. The third bedroom with another wardrobe. Very nice. And my bedroom, because I love the light. And so I choose the one that gives also the window on the barbecue. Yes, I really hope we are gonna do barbecue. We buy some meat and we do barbecue the next day. And voila, the bed is really comfortable. I love so much. Oh, it works. Amazing.
Very good.
Great. So today, relaxed day. We enjoyed our garden, the sun. We took a sun bath. Well, the water is a little bit too cold, but it's always nice to have a pool. And now we go to buy something to make our barbecue. I don't know, maybe around in Las Vegas. But yes, we are taking some free time and more relaxed time, because we have like 17 days around the amazing French Polynesia. So in 2 days we will have other 8 hours of flight. We leave our car here in Las Vegas. From Las Vegas we take a airplane from San Francisco. We stay 1 day about in San Francisco, so I hope we will see the bridge and just take a couple of pictures, and after directly from San Francisco to French Polynesia, Tahiti. So well, yes, we will be very busy going around the island, discovering and enjoying our houses, because we have amazing view from these houses. We should have a jacuzzi too. So well, yes, we will be very busy to enjoy our long trip. I love this life. And well, we have our PC. We have just one PC in 4 people, so sometimes it becomes difficult to manage everything. So we go to sleep late. We wake up early to be able to do everything. But I'm glad, because we scheduled some things, some videos and pictures to upload for our fan clubs and everything before, so we can enjoy. And we just need to check. We come to check every day the comments of you, everybody, and well, that's all. We try to do our best to be everywhere and also to enjoy. But yes, after it's like 3 months, and in November when we come back in Paris will be 4 months out from my house. We decided just in August to don't come back and to lose our flight in for Tenerife from Paris. So we took advantage to travel more from Paris, because from Paris is much more easy to take flights for a cheaper cost. So yes, now it's 4 months and I'm really missing Tenerife. You don't know how much you love your house since when you are away for a long time. So well, yes, we will enjoy this adventure, this big adventure, and well, we'll come back home soon. Ah. Yes, it's just me. I don't drink alcohol, so it's horrible. But yeah, it's a good smell. Oh my god. You want?